Onchocerciasis, popularly known as river blindness, is one of the most debilitating diseases of public health importance in Africa, transmitted by black flies. According to the World Health Organization (WHO), more than 99% of infected people live in 31 African countries, including Nigeria. It is with a view to eradicating the disease in Nigeria that the special training on black fly entomology, hosted by the Zoology Department of Osun State University, was organized. The 2-week capacity building training, which was part of the research grant of $1.4 million received for the elimination of river blindness in Nigeria, attracted entomologists and scientists from all parts of the country. While declaring the training open, Vice-Chancellor of Osun State University, Professor Clement Adeboye, who was represented by the Deputy Vice-Chancellor Academics, Professor Anthony Olusoya, stated that the Citadel of Learning is committed to making impact on society, as the school has been on a steady path of growth, local relevance, and global recognition.
Our recent greatest achievement in research and grantsmanship is the $1.4 billion USD grant won by Professor Mansour Adeleke and other scholars on the eradication of black fly.
In his goodwill message, the guest of honor and director, National Coordinator of Neglected Tropical Diseases, Federal Minister of Health, Abuja, Mr. Fatai Oyedero, assured the gathering of the continuous support of the Ministry of Health on all NTD's programs.
NTDs poses serious obstacle towards national achievement of universal health coverage and poses a serious impediment to poverty reduction, economic growth and social development.
In his remarks, Chairman of National Onchocerciasis Elimination Committee, Professor Bertram Woke, said Nigeria is currently winning the war towards the elimination of river blindness, adding that the training will further strengthen the capacity of entomologists and scientists on critical skills.
We have come for training of young scientists in the study and management of black flies that transmit river blindness, and we need them to be trained appropriately so that they will not be used in fighting against the black fly and also help us to control river blindness.
Earlier in his address of welcome, the principal investigator and convener of the program, Professor Mansour Adeleke, was full of appreciation to the management of Osun State University for supporting the team, just as he expressed optimism that the training will help in producing the human resources needed to win the war against river blindness.
We felt that most of the scientists that are active in the field that are becoming old, and what it means is that in the next few years, most of them will be retiring from their benches and tables, and we need to actually inculcate these skills into the young ones so that when the older ones leave, there will still be people that will continue the skills and then supporting the fight against onchocerciasis that has been a very serious disease.
Other facilitators at the training include Professor Hayward Mafuye from the University of Jos and Professor Kenneth Okpara from the University of Uyo, among others. Oluchi Amuda, OSBC News.